Okay. So thank you, Devin. And now let me give you an introduction of Acapella Roadmap 2023. And I will cover 4 parts. First, overview of Acapella brand. And secondly is about roadmap, product roadmap, new product. And in next year, more new product will be released, especially high panel models. And the third part is about add-on roadmap. More sensors, more accessory will be introduced. And the last is about our ecosystem roadmap. So first, let me start by a brief overview of Acapella brand. So Acapella has full range of hardware and software. Hardware include high panel, smart panel, add-on. Software include the app and cloud. App is for end user for smartphone. Cloud is on PC portal. Cloud portal is for installer and distributor. And next year, we will introduce more high panel models, and we will upgrade the cloud and the application continuously. And the Acapella high panel is modular design. It's very easy to install and maintain. I will introduce in great detail later. And this is two-in-one design. And next year, we will introduce more modular option. And we are making the device more functional and adapt more usage scenarios. And we will bring different more brand and platform to work with our Acapella smart home system. And last, we will support KNX and the Meta protocol. This is our 3 philosophy of Acapella smartphone: communication, security, and sustainability. Sustainability, it means high panel and smart panel can monitor electricity usage at home. So it means that we can save electricity, we can save energy. Security, it means we offer all kinds of sensors to secure your home. And we also offer Akuvox video phone to secure your home. Communication is a very big highlight, is a big advantage of Acapella smart home. Firstly, Acapella offers communication between house owner and the visitor. Acapella high panel and smart panel can work like Akuvox indoor monitor. It can answer calling from video door phone. So it can support the audio and the video phone between with outdoor station. And it also can unlock door for visitors as well. So high panel support offers communication between house owner and visitor. Secondly, Acapella offers communication between family members at homes. Typically, high panel and smart panel are installed in different rooms, in dining room, in bedroom, in living room, in kitchen. So different when family members located in different rooms, they can communicate with each other by high panel or smart panel. They can make audio calling. They can send voice message. So it supports inter-room intercom. And thirdly, Acapella offers communication between family member at home and the family member out of home. People at home can use high panel. People out of home can use application on smartphone. So they can communicate with each other by audio calling, video calling, or text message or voice message. And finally, Acapella offers communication for family members out of home, because our Acapella application, Bella Home application, can offer audio calling simply by app. Family members simply by app can communicate with each other. So communication is the first philosophy of our Acapella smartphone. We wish to bring more communication inside one family, and wish to create more closer relationship inside family. And let's explore our smartphone, our smart home product, high panel and the smart panel. Acapella product mainly consists of high panel series, smart panel series, and add-on. This is our high panel series. This is two-in-one design. Each model consists of two parts. Up case is panel. Back case is installation box. The picture at the right side up case panel, different design. This is high panel light. This is high panel. They have been released this year. High panel and high panel light are available now, released. And this is high panel Lux. Lux means luxury. And this is high panel Pro, professional. And this is high panel US version for American version. And this is high panel Ultra. And so this 4 model will be released next year. High panel Lux, high panel Pro, high panel US, and high panel Ultra. So this is upcase panel, different design. And the left side version are in installation box, including relay version, demo version, PoE version, KNX version, thermostat version, desktop version. Relay version means two relay. This is strong current relay. It can directly connect into lighting to turn on, enable panel to turn on or turn off lighting. Demo version means it enable panel to adjust the lighting brightness and the temperature. PoE version enable panel to powered by PoE switch. KNX version enable high panel to support KNX protocol. Thermostat means it can control heating system temperature. Desktop version means it enable high panel to be installed on desk, while other version are on wall installation. So in other words, we offered different back box and different high panel design. So customer can choose according to his favorite, according to his installation environment. So this is a big advantage of our module design. And the relay version is now available. The rest version will be released next year. And this is a smart panel. Smart panel has been released, includes X933H and C319H. This is 7-inch touchscreen Android. This is 10-inch touchscreen Android, and it has built-in camera. It can support video calling between application or other device. And this is our cloud. Cloud is based on PC for installers, for distributors, and it will be continuous upgraded next year. And this is Bella Home, our smart home application for smartphone. Now end user version is available. Next year we will upgrade, bring more feature, and furthermore we will release the application for installer. It will be very convenient for installer to set up configuration and finish installation. This is let's explore one by one by high panel models. This is high panel light, KS41 model name. Devin has introduced its details in his presentation. So let's see, this is high panel model, PS51. There are two versions. Standard version has been released. This is standard version. And this is US version. US version is for America. Two models' main difference is in dimension. US version is bigger in height, a little bit in height. They are both Android 10, 4-inch, 2 microphone, support Zigbee, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet, and they have built-in temperature, including temperature sensor, humidity sensor, distance sensor, light sensor, and US version has physical clock. Standard version no. They support different modular back box. And this is high panel Lux luxury model. This is 2.3 touch screen, and there is a metal globe with 4 AG glass physical button. This is metal globe. It is a very luxury design, metal, and this is 4 AG glass physical button. AG glass is a very high-end materials. It feel very smooth when you touch it. It's like you touch jade jewelry, very luxury material. And this 4 button can be programmed, can be used to turn on or turn off lighting, and for other usage. And this is the metal globe. Metal globe, you can rotate it for adjust the lighting temperature, lighting brightness. And there are two modes. I mean, the metal globe, there are 2 modes, rotating with damping mode and ratchet mode. They sound different. One mode is quiet, another mode is like a ratchet. And this model has built-in infrared remote control. It can enable high panel to control television, and also can control air conditioner. And here is Android 10. 2 microphone, Zigbee support, Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth support, Ethernet support. And it also has kind of sensors, temperature sensors, light sensor, distance sensor, humidity sensor. So this is high panel Lux. It will be released in January. Soon in January we will hold one online launch event to release this model. And this is high panel Pro. This is 8-inch touchscreen, PG71, 2 versions. One version is normal Wi-Fi version. The second version is LTE version. The main features are the same. Android 10, 8-inch, 5 megabit camera, and infrared IR remote support, 2 microphone, and all kinds of sensor. The difference is in first is in surface upcase. Surface upcase. The Wi-Fi version is metal. The LTE version is plastic because it needs to ensure the LTE 4G signal. Plastic is more better for LTE signal. And Wi-Fi version has LoRa. Support LoRa is also a wireless communication. It offers more long distance communication connection. And LTE version has battery backup. So this is high panel Pro. It will release about Q2. And next is high panel Ultra, 12-inch touchscreen, metal surface. Yeah. And above is our product roadmap. Next is our add-on roadmap. Our add-on include electrical accessory, motor, IP camera, media, sensor. Sensor in this year we have released several sensors like door sensor, motion sensor, gas sensor, smoke sensor, emergency button, flash sensor, temperature and humidity sensor. So door window sensor, it can detect door or window status. It can tell the door is open or closed. Motion sensor is like built-in motion sensor in some kind of video phone. It can detect a human being. It can detect human being is there. And gas sensor typically is installed in kitchen. It can detect gas leak. Emergency button is for emergency calling. Flash sensor is to detect water leak. And temperature humidity sensor is to offer temperature information. This sensor already being released. And next year we will release more. Next year we will release more sensor, including break window sensor. It can detect window. If window get broken, the sensor will be triggered and send the alarm to high panel or smart panel. Siren sensor, it means make big sound. High panel and the smart panel has built-in siren, but if you want loudly, more professional siren, we will have a siren sensor. And for detection sensor, it can detect people fall down on the floor. And we will also introduce media metric system. It's a accessory. It's a software management to manage all kinds of media device, including speaker or television, something like that. And we will also introduce outdoor camera to offer more complete solution to secure our smart home. And we'll introduce curtain motor to control curtain. And we will also introduce onboard smart switch. Now we have smart panel to by touch screen to turn on or turn off the lighting. But maybe some people prefer the physical traditional button to turn on or turn off light. We will offer this option. And we will release air circuit. It will secure your home's electricity, and also it can monitor the whole house electricity usage. So this is our add-on roadmap. The last is about our ecosystem roadmap. Our ecosystem includes platform integration, lighting system, access control, climate system, and the media system. This brand already being supported, including Tuya, including Philip and Elite Lighting, and also Ear Smart Lock, and also Thermostat, Ecobee, Zonfi, IKEA, and we also already support Sonos speaker. And this is our ecosystem for next year. More brand will be supported. First is platform. It is Alexa, building and work with Alexa. Building Alexa means Alexa will be installed inside high panel or smart panel. And work with Alexa means we can wire high panel, smart panel to control the device supported by Alexa. So one means input, other means output. So it can support to control other Alexa device. Secondly, our device can be controlled by Alexa, a voice assistant. Apple HomeKit and Google Home, and Fibaro, Media, Akara, Fibaro and Medialis device will be integrated into our system so that by high panel, smart panel, they can control Fibaro sensor or other device. Also by our Bella Home application to control this brand device or sensor. Lighting sensor meaning means lighting and lighting bulb or on-wall switch, in-wall switch, something like that. And access control, including smart lock, smart doorbell, smart lock, including wake set, and this is also smart lock. And ring is doorbell, Nest doorbell, August doorbell. Climate means thermostat system, and media system means Samsung television, Blue Sound, Philips, and HD Anywhere, and other speaker television, something like that. So this is our presentation. So let us check your question one by one and answer your question one by one. We are so glad that you give us so many questions. It means you are very interested in our product. So let me one by one. So first question is, add-on device were used for which purpose? So we offer various add-on. Mainly is sensor. We have door sensor, window sensor, smoke sensor, gas sensor, temperature sensor. So different sensor offers different features. The main purpose is to secure your house. And we also offered other add-on like on-wall switch to control lighting, and also air circuit to secure electricity system. So the next question is Zigbee gateway same as the Zigbee controller? Yes, gateway exactly means controller. Our Zigbee gateway and controller is built inside high panel, inside high panel. In high panel light, each high panel model has built-in Zigbee gateway. So it means that we can save cost of dedicated gateway cost. So all kinds of Zigbee sensors are directly connected into high panel light, high panel. So next, what is the usage of Bluetooth in high panel? It depends. For example, Bluetooth speaker can be connected into high panel or high panel by Bluetooth. It is an example. Can we order high panel in different other variants? Maybe next year will be available, not only standard version. So whether we can do the customization of front panel design, unfortunately now no.
Can you hear me?
And we also have dimmer here to control lighting. Yes. We can see we have also dimmer version back box. Dimmer version back box. If you want dimmer control, you can choose dimmer version back box to match high panel light or high panel lux, high panel pro, any your favorite model. In this case, you can control lighting temperature, you can control lighting brightness. The next question.
Iger, can you hear me?
How does high panel work with Aliasa as shown in presentation? So Aliasa means two things. Firstly, it means Aliasa can control our device, can control our high panel, smart panel. So it is the first integration. We will support it. And the second integration means our high panel can control other devices supported by Aliasa. So one is input, one other is output. We have full integration with Aliasa in next year. Is there more model to have more button on smart panel? Now no. Maximum more High panel light has 4 buttons. High panel lux also has 4 buttons. But we will release our onward switch. Onward switch physical button. I mean, onward smart switch series. It will offer multiple buttons, multiple physical buttons. Maybe some old men, some people, traditional people prefer this traditional physical button switch. We will offer this option. And
okay, David and Iger, can you hear us? David and Iger, can you hear?
The end user can through app kit to control high panel, smart panel, and all devices under our system. Also, Google Home will also support it. Can we use and control all the devices on local network without connecting into the internet? Yes, we have this offline mode. After configuration, after installation, if you prefer offline version, on the device website, web interface, customer can enable offline version. But under offline version, app could not work online. But it can protect the privacy maximum. It up to customer favorite. We offer this option. So how the integration is done with third-party platform like large type device. So we discuss with each other. Sorry, I cannot hear you. Maybe you can unmute you. You are muted now. I could not. Hello?
No. We are trying to speak to you and you can't hear us.
你声音没开吗？开了，我这里没听到。但这里没声音。先把它。他听不见啊？哎，你可以听见他说话吗？我刚刚可以听见。现在呢？ Hello HDH, can you repeat again? We could not hear you now.
Can you hear me now?
Maybe I will try. 你为什么我会？你可以听到他们对方讲吗？你静音是这样。Hello。 Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah,
HDH now? Okay, great. I can hear you.
I can hear you. I think there was a problem in another laptop. Can you share the screen which you are showing it? Iger, can you share that screen or that presentation is with David? The one which you are showing right now.
Presentation?
Yeah.
You mean
share
open
the
presentation? 你打开那个 PPT 一下。You mean Devin presentation or my presentation?
Your Iger's presentation. Iger's presentation.
你打开我的 PPT 一下。One moment. 是。这看不见好像。你还没共享吧？你共享一下。为什么我都听不见？你翻页看一下。没到，你也放点播，放那个播放。
You can mail me the presentation. I can share the screen.
OK， 或者你把
You can give it to me on the Skype if it is a problem.
One moment. 你先就退出了。 这可以免提吗？你的都禁掉了，你关掉了。Sorry。
Iger, can you share me this presentation on the Skype? I will do it fast and we'll close it because I have to go somewhere.
I sent to the by Skype already.
You share me the presentation on the Skype.
Yeah. 你把权限给他好了，让他来播放那个 PPT。是的，不是对那个老板，就是这个人。那不是这个人，把共享屏幕权限给他。Yes, we offer the access of a screenshot to you. Maybe you can check now. Hello. Okay.
Okay, you guys can see my presentation, Iger? Iger?
Yes.
You can see the presentation?
Yes.
Good. So I will ask few questions, try to reply. And then if someone has other questions, please put it on the chat window. So
Okay.
I'm going fast to the relevant slide. So you can see the product portfolio slide, Iger?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me one thing, this dimmer version, do you mean that I can change the intensity of the light or decrease or reduce the speed of the fan? So do we have to order something different product, or there is a back panel which gets connected to this only relay version?
They are the same.
They are the same?
Panel is the same. Yes.
Relay
Box
and dimmer
will be different.
I am repeating. The relay version and dimmer version is the same product?
Exactly.
Okay. So if we have ordered you a relay version, can I also do the dimming of the light from there?
Yes. I mean, high panel upcase are the same. These high panel lights, no matter they are not different. Upcase is for design. So you can choose upcase panel according to your favorite, and you can according to your installation environment to pick up installation back box like a relay version or demo version.
Okay.
They can match to with each other.
Okay. So my question again to you is that if I have ordered you relay version, the full kit relay version, it is different from dimmer version because the back circuit would not be the same. The back circuit would be different.
No, they are the same. Upcase is the same. But
Upcase?
now not only relay version is available.
Okay. So this is not available.
Yes, next year will be available.
Okay, you can see my mouse moving now on the slide. I am moving my mouse. Can you see my mouse moving on the slide?
Yes.
Okay. Why have you kept PoE version as a separate? Because the relay version works on PoE. Why have you made two different versions, PoE and relay?
Because some customer prefer a weak current installation. They don't want strong current. They don't want 220 voltage wired. They only want 12 voltage. They only want PoE version.
Okay, in the PoE version, can I not connect 220 volt?
Connect to which?
I can connect to the direct phase light also, no? The one which we have ordered you, it works on PoE as well as I can connect direct 220 volt light and neutral.
You mean lighting or what?
Yeah, lighting. Can I connect direct
PoE,
lighting? Yeah.
PoE version could not directly connect into lighting. If you want to control lighting, you need to add one inward switch, one gun, two gun inward switch. Maybe you remember you order some model, some stock. One gun, two gun.
I got just hold on. Hello, Dushan.
Okay.
The one which we have given the demo in the exhibition, वो PoE पे चल रहा था, non PoE पे चल रहा था. Okay. So what you are saying that the relay version has to work on a DC adapter as well as a 220 volt light direct interface.
Yeah, exactly. Relay version, demo version, directly connected, hardware connected into lighting.
Okay.
Strong current.
Okay. What this thermostat version which you have written here, is it available or it is future?
Next year.
Okay. Fine.
Now
we are
only.
Okay, we are going to the next slide.
Yeah.
Someone asked a question that if there is a house who's using an Akuvox door phone and the indoor panels are either high panels or smart panel, so does he have to use both the apps, or the Bella Home can, through the Bella Home he will be able to manage the Akuvox door phone?
什么意思？没听懂。
他就是说要不要用两个 app 不用，他说就是人手机那些只是要用一个新卡不用。
You mean that Akuvox door phone can work with Bella Home?
Yes.
Yes, they were. Akuvox door phone were fully integrated into Bella application.
Very good. Is this Android or Linux?
Linux.
Linux. Can I, because PS51 and PS51 and the other products are Android 10, can I download any APK file on this for smart homes like Fibaro? If I have to download a Crestron app or Fibaro app, can I download?
Now it's not supported, I guess. Now it's not supported because his memory, his CPU is not such strong.
Okay, but I can do the same thing here.
The latest version, firmware version doesn't support. Maybe in future we will offer the upgraded version to support it.
You know, I am asking today, if I have smart panel, can I download Crestron or Fibaro app on the smart panel?
Yeah, now it's not supported. Now it's not supported, but maybe future it will be supported, I guess.
Then how you say all this like Fibaro works with Fibaro? What does this mean? Works with Apple Home.
Yeah, Fibaro integration, it means after integration, our high panel or smart panel can control Fibaro sensors because we will make integration with Fibaro controller.
How will the Fibaro controller talk to the high panel? Through which media?
They both is Zigbee.
They both are Zigbee, including Crestron controller.
No. Crestron, no.
Okay. And how does you also said that we will work with Alexa? Okay. Currently we work with Alexa, and in future we will have built-in Alexa. If I have to make Alexa work with my high panel, how can I do that?
Both will be supported next year. It means when you speak with high panel, you can you can send Alexa comment to high panel. Then you can control device supported by Alexa. I mean third-party device.
And these
It
media
means-
systems. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, it means that high panel and smart panel will be a very powerful controller panel to control other device which support Alexa.
Okay. Is this currently working today?
Yes, exactly.
For today.
Yeah, this page is supported already.
So how does Sonos audio system work with my high panel? Because this is a very famous brand in India. How this Sonos audio system work with my high panel or smart panel?
It's via Wi-Fi. Sonos speaker also is connected into Wi-Fi. And
so while configuring our high panel, will I see the Sonos brand, or there will be an app which I have to put it there? Like I have to increase the
up on high panel or smart panel, there will be dedicated icon. Dedicated icon to control Sonos.
Very good. And what about the Yale?
Yale is a smart lock.
Yeah.
It means in our application, it can control smart lock, unlock.
Okay. So how this our high panel or smart panel will talk to Yale on a Wi-Fi or on a Bluetooth? How does it talk?
I guess Bluetooth. I guess. 是通过蓝牙好像接入的，好像是通过蓝牙。Wi-Fi, I guess Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And we have made the cloud integration with Yale.
Yeah, that was my next question. So can I, through my cloud application, open the Yale lock?
Open what? Open the Yale lock. Yeah. We can buy our application Bella Home to unlock Yale lock.
Okay. When anyone buys a high panel from you, does he get 1+3 cloud app complimentary? Any high panel?
Sorry, excuse me.
I am asking you, like in Akuvox, when anyone buys an indoor panel, we get Akuvox cloud subscription free for family members, 1+3. Is the rule, is it the same for Acapella as well?
Yeah. Now smartphone Bella Home is free. Now basic feature is free because high panel and smart panel can be considered as indoor monitor, so it's free.
We just wanted the clarity. Sandeep sir or Jyotirmay, anyone has a question, please unmute your mic and talk to them. Deepak Chauhan, anyone else whosoever has a question which they want to cover, which I have not covered, can ask questions. Only talk about the present scenario, not the future one.
I had a question. I had a very basic question, Igor and David. From a, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, hi, I'm Sandeep Roy from Mumbai. I had a very basic question. So assuming I have various home automation partners, right? Most of them in India are either on Fibaro or Crestron is very popular. So now what I wanted to understand as a basic question is that when you talk about communication also, you said that the Acapella platform also performs communication. So how does Akuvox and Acapella, other than the home automation part, are they not overlapping? How do we pitch these two together?
You mean?
So we have already Akuvox. So we have the outdoor panel, the video door phone, and we have the indoor screen. Similarly, now in Acapella also, we will have the indoor screens also, which will do most of the functions and more than what Akuvox currently does. So you can control your home automation functions. You will have multiple sensors and all those. So my question is, how do I pitch Akuvox along with Acapella together to my home automation partner now?
You mean how to recommend the model from
Yes. How
catalog
to recommend
Okay.
how do I pitch?
Sandeep sir,
Yeah.
Iger, let me reply the gentleman. Okay. So Crestron or Fibaro or Control 4, they are, or Elan, they generally are focused on selling their controllers. Okay. So they also themselves to buy to the customer, they say, if you have some indoor monitors, either Akuvox or Acapella, you can buy it. But generally they will pitch Akuvox, not Acapella, because once they pitch Acapella, we can go to the customer and say, why to buy a Crestron controller or a Fibaro controller? We have a Zigbee gateway built into our indoor panel. But per se, when we talk of Acapella, we are pitching against it. But yes, some component of Acapella can also go to the brown opportunities or the opportunities where we want to gel with Crestron and Fibaro, not work as a competition and work with them. So these questions we will discuss with them offline. Anything on the technology what he has shown, I will request to Jyotirmay or Rishi or Deepak, if anyone has, Amit, anyone has a question, please put in. Alok, koi question hai?
Here Jyotirmay Das. I am from Kolkata, OSC. I met few automation partners. Just want to know a few things. Whether Zigbee is the single platform for this kind of integration, or there is any other platform available for such integrations. And what is Zigbee? I want to know basic thing.
Zigbee is a kind of wireless communication technology. Inside the high panel or smart panel, they has built-in Zigbee module. So it enables high panel, smart panel can connect into Zigbee sensors. It is a kind of wireless communication technology. But
it's like this kind of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi we know for networking. This kind of technology only.
Yeah, Zigbee, his frequency is as same as Wi-Fi.
Okay. If in case that Zigbee controller gets is now starting malfunctioning, let's say we have done integration for lights through Zigbee module and Zigbee controller built in our that panel. If any case Zigbee that module start malfunctioning, and how can I then switch off or switch on the light if there is no physical switch?
You mean how to turn on or turn off light from high panel?
If in case Zigbee is malfunctioning.
If high panel light, there are 4 buttons. You can press physical button to turn on or turn off light.
Okay. I will rephrase his question. Consider we have installed a smart panel in a home. Okay. Iger, you are there with me?
Yeah.
And there is no relay button. There is no physical button on the smart panel. We are not talking of high panel. And that smart panel stops working. And then he's asking, do we have any manual option to manually switch on or off in case of a smart panel?
Physically. If a high panel.
No, smart panel.
Smart panel.
Yeah, no high panel. I know the answer for high panel.
好像Zigbee module 后面有没有？If smart panel plus one gun, two gun module switch, really
okay,
no physical button.
No problem. I will explain to this guy. Now you just tell me what is the distance between Zigbee gateway and endpoint. If I have a 3-floor house and I have one Zigbee gateway, what is the distance all my Zigbee endpoints can work?
之前说距离这个吗？
几十米好像有。
I need to check the exact distance, but I remember about 10 meter, I guess. I will
So-
check. I will check an exact number later.
If I have 4 rooms house, I can install Zigbee gateway in all the 4 rooms, and can they talk to each other wirelessly as well on Zigbee?
In theory, yes. In theory, yes. In most of the case, I suppose Zigbee is enough for normal room. Distance is enough. But if for bigger room, we will also offer LoRa, other kinds of wireless communication module to offer longer distance connection.
My question is that Iger is staying in a 4-bedroom house. Okay, he has 4 rooms. Each room has smart panels or a high panel. So every panel is a Zigbee gateway panel. Means it is either PS51 or
41.
Yeah, not 41. 41 does not have a gateway, na, if I'm not wrong.
Also has gateway. Also has
41?
Zigbee. Also has Zigbee gateway. But 41 could not work home sensor. 41 can connect Zigbee sensor, but could not work as home sensor.
Okay.
Or
What is the
home
difference
center.
between Can you repeat this statement?
I mean, firstly, 41 has built-in Zigbee hub. It can connect Zigbee sensors.
Yeah.
But secondly, 41 could not work as home center. It means 41 could not work standalone without 51 or 61. At least now, you need 151 at least at one apartment.
Okay, so if I have 551s or 351s in my 3 rooms or 4 rooms, how each will communicate to each other? For all 51s will talk to each other how? Through cloud, or they internally talk through Zigbee also? Hello, Iger, you there? Hello.
Sorry, can you hear me now?
Yeah. I'm asking if we have installed 451s in the house, if they have to do internal communication, they talk on Zigbee or they talk through cloud?
Sorry. Could you?
Okay, no problem. We will write you all questions. Thank you very much. And so please share us the recording and we'll ask you the question on the email.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you all your time.
Thank you.
Okay, see you.
Yeah.
Okay.